Hello, students. We shall continue our next video regarding the geometric progression, in which we have done up to 5 questions of the exercise 9.3. Now we shall start question number 6. For what value of x the number are in GP? For what value of x the numbers are in GP? For what value of x these numbers are in GP? Or all you know about it, whenever the given sequence is in GP, in case the common ratio of the given terms, that should be equal. So we will use this concept for solving of x. Now if they are in GP, then the a2 over a1 equal a3 over a2. From where we will solve it. X square equal minus 2 by 7 into minus 7 by 2, minus minus cancel, now 7 cancel 2 cancel 1, or x equal plus minus root 1, that is 1, plus minus 1, right? So the value of x is, how much it is? That is the plus minus 1. Now take next question. There is the answer of the question, that is 6. We have done plus minus 1. Thereafter some of the questions regarding the sum and the formula of sum that we have already discussed. Once I will again repeat the formula of summation for a given GP. The question number 7, similarly 8, that belongs to the summation. Here is given question number 8, sum to the n terms. Question number 8 we are solving here, sum to the n terms. So there is given root 7, comma, second term is root 21, and the third term is 3 root 7. Is it clear? Okay. Or up to n term, up to n terms. So हमें एक सम कैलकुलेट करना है, तो फर्स्ट वी जस्ट नो दैट द a is the root 7 and the common ratio that is equivalent to the a2 over a1, and whenever this will express like that, cancel, that is root 3. In the next, suppose we would like to take if the given sequence is in a GP or not, then you shall write like that. This cancel by this and this cancel by root 3. So the common ratio is same for every two successive terms. So R we have, A we have, and the value of R is root 3, and we know that that is 1.732 approx, root 3, value of root 3. Now whenever R is greater than 1, then the Sn in a GP which is A, R power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. This formula you will use for solving the summation of n term of a given GP. Now apply it. चलो अप्लाई करोगे तो Sn कैलकुलेट करना आपको. A कितना है? A is the root 7. R कितना है? रूट 3. तो रूट 3 पावर n माइनस 1 ओवर कितना? रूट 3 माइनस 1. और सिंप्लीफाइड कर लेते हो तो क्या लिख सकते हो? 3 पावर n बाई 2 माइनस 1 अपॉन रूट 3 माइनस 1. This is the summation of n term of a given sequence if the common ratio, that is root 7, and the common ratio, that is root 3, and the first term, that is given root 7, then how we can calculate the sum of n term? By the formula if R is greater than 1. ठीक है. Now come on next question number 11. Question number 11. 11 is evaluate this is notation. Now k equal 1 to 11. K equal 1 to 11, there is written 2 plus 3 power of k. Right? तो पहले तो मीनिंग क्या है, क्वेश्चन को समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है. You just understood the question properly first. Whether there is given, this is the sigma. Notation of this is known as sigma. Sigma indicates that summation. Summation किसका? इसका. Given function is that. इसका क्या करना है? Summation करना है. कहाँ से कहाँ तक? From k equal 1 to k equal 11 तक, up to the 11. You just add them. Write first, expand it in the expandable form. Thereafter you will use whether the given sequence is GP, AP, what is there, apply according to the concept. So now we shall place first k equal 1, then what you are getting. So first you will open it whenever k equal 1. तो क्या रिजल्ट आ गया? f of 1, this is suppose fx, fk. तो 1 पे कितना आ गया? 2 plus 3 power 1, then the result is 5. Right? Whenever k is 2, then f of 2 you will get, that is 2 plus 3 power 2. समेशन नहीं करना आपको, इसको कंबाइन नहीं करना है, ध्यान रखना. You just write in a same way. Whenever k is 3, then f of 3, which is equivalent to the 2 plus 3 power k, k is 3, so it will written like that, or again it should written like that. Similarly, it proceeded up to k equal 11, then f of 11, which expressed like that, 2 plus 3 power 11. Now we shall arrange them in a pattern. Arrange them 2 plus 3 power 1, thereafter sigma plus term number 2, 2 plus 3 power 2 plus 2 plus 3 power 3 plus dot 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 up to 2 plus 3 power 11. This is the sequence now we just form now. So according to this sequence, we just separate the 2 from each of the terms up to 11 terms. Thereafter, we just write the 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2 plus 3 power 3 plus up to 3 power 11. क्लियर है? अब आता है यहाँ पर 2 2 2 अप टू 11 टर्म. द सम इज कितना होगा? 2 इंटू 11. 2 इंटू 11. फर्स्ट टर्म में एक 2 आ गया, फिर 2 4, फिर 6, फिर 8 10 लाइक दैट अप टू 11. द सम प्रोसीडेड टू द 2 इंटू 11 प्लस देयर इज ए sequence which indicate that whether the given sequence is in GP. This is a geometric progression. How we can say this is the geometric progression, geometric series? Because whenever A2 divided by A1, then we get that is 3, or A3 divided by A2, similarly we get same 3. Or we can say this is the common ratio which is same. So this is the GP. From the R is 3 which is greater than 1, and the A is also 3 of this GP. This is. Now the Sn we will apply it there, A R power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Now that is 22 plus A is 3, R is 3, power n 11 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. So the final answer, that is 22 plus 3 upon 2 into 3 power 11 minus 1. This is the answer of this question. समझ गए? सबको क्लियर हो गया? क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 का जो हमने 9.3 का आंसर दिया है, यो आप सबको क्लियर हो गया होगा. द आंसर विल बी रिटन ऑन द बोर्ड. यू जस्ट मैच विद द आंसर ऑफ द बुक. सो द आंसर ऑफ 11th इज 22 plus 3 by 2, 3 power 11 minus 1. क्लियर है? ध्यान रखना, ये -1 डिनोमिनेटर पावर में नहीं है, इट इज इन द डायरेक्ट सब्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ द 3 power 11 minus 1. Is it clear to all of you? Now we shall come on next question. अब नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे ज्योमेट्रिक मीन एंड स्पेशल सीरीज. तो आप लोगों को प्रॉपरली इसके क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं. One of the question is the sum of the first 3 term, question number 12, that we have taken in an example also. Sum of the first three term of a GP. Sum of first 3 term of a GP, which is given 39 upon 10 is given. And the second part, their product is 1. Product of first 3 term. That is 1. Find the common ratio and the term. हमें क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? कॉमन रेशियो कैलकुलेट करना है. And the terms, what we should calculate it. Sum of the first 3 terms, let the terms are a by r, a r. Check whether the given terms, or we suppose the term that should be in GP or not. Check. So a over a by r, then r, ar by a, then r. It means they are in GP. क्लियर है? तो हमने टर्म्स ऐसी क्यों एज्यूम करी? बिकॉज वी जस्ट कैलकुलेट द ए और आर फ्रॉम द टर्म्स, सो वी शैल टेक द टर्म्स लाइक दैट. सो नाउ फर्स्ट स्टेप, सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 3 टर्म्स a by r plus ar, which is equivalent to the 39 upon 10, that is given. And the product of first 3 terms, that is given 1, from where we calculate the a cube 1, or which implies a equal 1 power 1 upon 3. तो इसके रूट क्या हो गए? क्यूब रूट ऑफ 1 is 1 ओमेगा स्क्वायर. These 2 root are not real, so this is the real root. So from where we are getting a equal 1, right? तो a कितना आ गया? 1. अब जब a कैलकुलेट हो गया, तो वी शैल प्लेस दिस a इनटू दिस एंड कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ r. तो क्या आ गया? अब आपका देखो, 1 by r plus 1 plus r equal 39 over 10. Take LCM of the r. Now you get like that. और 10 का प्रोडक्ट सब जगह कर दें आप यहाँ पे. Now again you write it minus of 29r plus of 10 equal 0. यही आएगा. ठीक है, 10 का प्रोडक्ट कर दिया आपने. r इज द एलसीएम. फर्स्ट 1 plus r square equal 39r, then cross by the 10, then it becomes 10r square 39r. Now subtract 10r square minus of 29r plus of 10 equal 0. Now we shall break the 10 into 10. This is the quadratic in the r, right? अब 10 into 10 की splitting 2 5 2 5, तो 25 और 4, that is the factor of the given minus of 25r minus of 4r plus of 10 equal 0. From you will calculate the 2r minus of 5 minus of 2, then 2r minus of 5 equal 0. From you get this is equivalent 0 or 5r minus 2 equal 0. From you will get the r equal 5/2, and from you are get like that r equal 2/5. Clear हो गया सबको? अब which r is applicable to product of the first three term is 1, right? ये तो क्या? अब summation आपके पास r की values whether the one of the r that is like that, so there are two GPs. There are two GPs, different GP फॉर्म हो जाएगी इसमें, तो आपको दोनों GP बना देनी है इसकी, राइट है? एक बार R को A कंसिडर कर लेना, यहाँ से A आपने 1 कैलकुलेट कर रखा है, एक टर्म्स यहाँ से बना देना, एक बार R को ये कंसिडर कर लेना, A को ये कंसिडर कर लेना, देन द सेकेंड GP. सो देर आर 2 GP यू विल फॉर्म्ड हेयर. तो स्टूडेंट्स क्वेश्चन को प्रॉपरली रीड करें, समझें और सॉल्व करें. तो अप टू 15 each and every question you just solve in your notebook. Thereafter we will discuss our next content, that is the geometric mean and special series. Again I will say this work will be followed in your notebook properly. Do carefully with understanding. Thank you very much.